So study of language, I think, can have a number of different benefits. It opens up a whole range of different sensitivities and cultural awarenesses that are more widely applicable even beyond just the specific language that you might be able to speak.
To study Japanese studies mean we study not only learning the Japanese language, but also learning about its culture, society, politics, history, and religion.
The language component is at the core of the program as a whole, and from the very beginning, studying several hours a week of Chinese language with native speaker, professional qualified language tutors. In addition to that, you're taking a selection of other courses that relate to the broader Chinese-speaking world.
大家好，我叫 Serena. I chose to study Chinese because I was always fascinated by the Chinese culture and Chinese history and politics. But the language was never something that was available to me in my education before coming to university.
We work in very small groups, so every student have the maximum exposure to the teacher and the language. Generally speaking, we have 6 levels, 2 elementary levels and 2 intermediate and 2 advanced levels.
I think the best preparation that you can do is to read widely around topics that interest you, and of course some degree of familiarization if you haven't studied the language can help to at least give you a clue about what you're dealing with. But that said, nothing is assumed, and the language tutors will be able to get you up to speed pretty quickly.
皆さん、こんにちは、カイルです。So before attending the University of Manchester, my Japanese level was at beginner, and to prepare myself, I learnt the 2 beginner alphabets in Japanese called hiragana and katakana.
The course also offers the opportunity to take part in the language exchange program, so it's geared towards students developing their language skill enough to live in Japan by the end of year 2.
For me, the best part of my course was when I had my placement year in Japan. I really enjoyed my time there because I found that having to use Japanese really helped further my language abilities.
Our former students worked in a wide range of different industries, such as politicians and entrepreneurs, journalists, teachers.
My future career ambitions would be to study foreign policy, and having a basis in the language and the culture and history. These are all things that I study here, and they are going to help me greatly in this career.